Hey, welcome back to MindSpark, the place where curiosity comes alive. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered what would happen if things suddenly changed instantly? Stick with me, because the answer is way more shocking than you think.
Right now, somewhere in the universe, something is falling into a black hole. From the outside, it looks frozen in time. From the inside, it never survives. And here's the strange part. Understanding what's inside a black hole might explain why time in your life only moves forward, why causes come before effects, and why the universe even exists at all. So what is actually inside a black hole? A black hole begins with one simple idea: gravity that never lets go. If you took Earth and squeezed it down to the size of a marble, its gravity would become so strong that not even light could escape. That boundary is called the event horizon. Cross it, and there is no return, no warning, no signal, no message back to the universe. But here's why this matters to you. From far away, when something falls toward a black hole, it never appears to cross the event horizon. It slows down. Its light stretches. It fades. To the outside universe, it freezes forever. But from the falling object's point of view, nothing special happens at that moment. It crosses the horizon normally. Two completely different realities. Both true. This isn't science fiction. It's the same physics that makes GPS satellites work. Time moves differently depending on gravity and speed. Black holes don't just bend space. They twist time itself. And once you cross that horizon, time stops behaving the way you expect. If the universe can't see what happens next, what actually happens inside? You've probably heard the term spaghettification. As you fall into a black hole, gravity pulls harder on your feet than your head. Your body stretches, you thin out, you tear apart. But strangely, that's not the most important part. Inside the event horizon, space and time switch roles. Outside a black hole, time moves forward and space lets you choose direction. Inside, direction disappears. You cannot stop falling inward, not because you're pulled, but because inward is the future. Reaching the center isn't something that might happen. It's something that will happen just like tomorrow follows today. Inside a black hole, the future is a location. You don't move toward it. Time carries you there. This idea quietly changes how we think about reality, because it shows that time is not just something ticking in the background. Time is a force, and inside a black hole, it becomes unavoidable. So what is waiting at the end of time itself? At the center of a black hole is something called a singularity. According to our equations, it has infinite density, zero size, infinite gravity, which is physics admitting defeat. Our best theories, general relativity and quantum mechanics, stop working here. They contradict each other. They produce infinities. And infinities are a sign that the model is broken. But here's the unsettling part. The beginning of the universe, the Big Bang, also looks like a singularity. Same math, same breakdown, same mystery. This suggests something radical. Black holes might not just be cosmic dead ends. They might be places where new physics and maybe new universes begin. Not destruction, transformation. But if everything is crushed into the singularity, what happens to information? Physics has a rule: information cannot be destroyed. Every detail about a system, its particles, positions, energies, must be preserved. But black holes seem to erase everything. When a black hole evaporates through Hawking radiation, what's left looks random. Featureless. Empty. So where did the information go? This contradiction is called the black hole information paradox. One solution says information is stored on the event horizon itself, flattened into a two-dimensional surface, like data on a hard drive. Another idea says information leaks out slowly through Hawking radiation. Not clearly, not directly, but never truly lost. And then there's the most extreme possibility. That black holes don't destroy information at all, they move it somewhere else, into a new region of spacetime. possibly a new universe. If that's true, black holes aren't cosmic trash cans, they're cosmic doors. And if black holes create universes, where does that leave us? Here's the uncomfortable idea. Our universe may have been born inside a black hole, the one-way flow of time, the fact that entropy always increases, the reason causes come before effects. All of it could be inherited from a collapse in a larger universe. You're not just living in the universe. You're living inside the consequences of an event that happened before time, as you experience it, even existed. Black holes stop being monsters at the edge of space. They become mirrors showing us where knowledge ends and deeper reality begins. So here's the question to leave you with. If black holes can bend time, hide information, and possibly create universes, what does that mean for how our universe will end? That's something we'll explore next. If you enjoy calm explanations of big ideas that quietly change how you see reality, subscribe to MindSpark and keep questioning the universe.
If this video made you think even for a second, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe to MindSpark for more mind-blowing ideas and tell me in the comments what topic we should explore next. Until next time, keep your mind curious,